Fashion trends come and go, but wrinkles aren't a good look on anyone. Iron has long been the tool of choice to keep garments looking smooth and fresh, but many would rather deal with wrinkles than lug out the ironing board for a single pair of pants. Clothing steamers, on the other hand, are a more user-friendly way to straighten out your wardrobe. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 clothes steamers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. This Conair steamer may be small enough to hold in your hands, but it's got enough settings to take on even the toughest of wrinkles, making it one of the best clothes steamers we tested. It's got a small water tank, 7.3 ounces, that provides up to 15 minutes of steam, but when you crank it up to the highest of the 5 steam settings, make sure it's appropriate for the type of fabric you are working with. Wrinkles are a thing of the past. It doesn't come as too much of a surprise that a higher heat setting will do the work of releasing wrinkles from fabric easily. Although the ready light came on in 40 seconds, our testers found that it wasn't steaming until a full minute had passed, which is a small price to pay for the number of features this handy little steamer has. Number 2. Pure Enrichment Pure Steam Portable Garment Steamer. If you don't feel like lugging out the hotel room iron and ironing board, this travel steamer will come in handy. You'll still want to pack your clothes carefully, though, as this lightweight steamer might not be up for some of your tougher creases. The unit has just one steam setting, and our testers found that it did take several passes of the steamer to release the wrinkles. You'll have to work quickly because it's got a small water tank. It takes about 2 minutes for the steam to activate, which is longer than most of the other steamers on this list despite the small water tank. Still, you're likely to prefer to wait 2 minutes than have to set up the ironing board. If you're new to steaming, this has an easy learning curve, plus it's got an auto shut-off in case the steamer gets too hot or you run out of water. Number 3. Magic Pro Portable Garment Steamer for Clothes. This unassuming Magic Pro handheld steamer packs quite the punch to eliminate wrinkles in clothes and other fabrics, making it the best clothes steamer during testing. Fill up the water reservoir and in just 25 seconds you'll be ready to smooth out creases as well as sanitize clothing. The Magic Pro is a powerful tool for cleaning and refreshing drapery, upholstery, bedding, tablecloths, stuffed toys, and other heftier fabrics as well. In addition to a trigger release system, it's also got a handy 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush that will put the finishing touches on your outfit so you're ready for the day or evening. For everyday use, you'll appreciate how quickly and effectively the Magic Pro can remove wrinkles. Our testers found just 1 or 2 passes did the trick. Our testers did find it was bulkier than other travel steamers on the market, so you might not be willing to give up so much space in your suitcase. Number 4. Conair Full-Size Garment Steamer for Clothes. If you don't mind a tool that will take up a bit of space, this upright steamer by Conair is the best clothes steamer worth considering. With a large tank that provides up to an hour and a half of high-velocity steam, you'll be able to get your entire closet wrinkle-free with just one water tank fill-up. The rotating hanger and hook make it easy to hang garments for steaming, while a telescopic pole makes it easy to adjust for pants, dresses, and more. Our testers were impressed to see that the steamer was ready in about a minute and took just one pass of the T-shaped steam head to release wrinkles. The 5-foot Cool Touch hose gives you plenty of room to move around, though our testers found it a bit stiff and hard to maneuver at first. Expect to have a few steam sessions before it loosens up. Number 5. SteamFast SF562 Canister Garment Steamer. If you like to do marathon steam sessions, then you'll love that the 86-ounce tank on this SteamFast upright garment steamer can get you through all or most of your closet. Despite its size, our testers found that it only took about 2 minutes to heat up. Plus, it's easy to fill, and there's a drainage hole on the bottom for excess water, making it one of the best clothes steamers. The SteamFast provides continuous steam with 2 steam settings to get all the wrinkles out of various fabrics with none of the chemicals. Features include a fabric hose that's cool to the touch, a telescopic pole that collapses for easy storage, and a clothing hook so you can steam each garment easily. The tester was a bit wary, however, of how long those clips would last. It also comes with a fabric brush and a collar helper for an even easier time steaming shirts. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.